All right, so this year we got something a little different for you.
Okay.
Different 370Z. I know you're a fan of 370s.
Yeah, well, it's still Z, right?
Yeah, still Z. So this is our TwinZ car. It's got the TwinZ body kit on it.
Yeah, no, I really like the styling. It's like very street, very slick.
Yeah.
You know, it is a nice new
Looks
cool
good
look to it. Yeah.
It's still a 3.7, but it's supercharged.
Okay.
So different power band.
All right. Wait, so this is your supercharger kit?
This is the Z1 Supercharger kit.
Okay, yeah, because I've only seen a couple for these motors.
This is honestly a pretty stock car. It's got the clutch, drop-in fuel pump injectors, and supercharger.
Okay, yeah,
So
no, the fitment's really nice. You know, like doing the 2-to-1's usually pretty tough to do, you know, when you're doing like a supercharger, like a single turbo setup, but yeah, it's just very clean, very symmetrical. I do like that supercharger's packaged down there. It looks like the intake, you know, pockets in there real well.
Full filtered intake.
Big intercooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
But yeah, take
Kinda need those.
Take it for a spin and we'll dive into details on it.
Okay. All right, all right. Yeah, I bet the power comes on pretty good on this thing, huh?
Yeah.
I guess we'll find out.